Let me be very clear about what this is, and more importantly, what this isn't. If you are looking for a course, a coaching program, or some do it yourself tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, leave this page. This isn't for you. What I am offering is a complete done for you installation of a machine that I have personally spent the last 5 years and 800 plus hours refining. I call it the zero latency AI response metrics. But here's the friction. I only take 4 clients per month. Why? Because I don't compromise on quality. I physically go into your backend, your CRM, your lead sources, your calendar, and I build the infrastructure myself. And because I do that, I have to protect my time. I'm not looking to for people who need savings. I'm looking for serious people who are into real estate teams, brokers, high ticket agencies who already are running ads and traffic and are bleeding money because they are too slow. So, this is the sales document that I have personally developed for all my clients with all the case studies that I wish that I'd love to show you. So, inside this document, you will see the proven response metrics that automatically engages 100% of your inbound leads in under 60 seconds. What we will implement is the zero latency AI response metrics that engages every lead 24 by 7, 365 guaranteed in less than 60 seconds from day one. My services are only for high value real estate teams and brokers, marketing agencies, SMMA, high ticket coaches and consultants, local service providers like law firms, and any business that is running paid ads. In my case studies, I have worked with many clients and I have curated 10 case studies here with every problem, solution, and impact that I have created for their business. Like the number one case study that I have is an AI sales agent that I developed for one of my clients, and it replaced 10% team by responding in less than 45 seconds. We implemented this single AI sales agent that engaged every lead in under 45 seconds. And the impact that we created and our solutions created was contact rate jumped from 35% to 92% instantly. That's a big move. Appointments, 90% more booked appointments in just 2 weeks, and around about $50,000 per month saved in staff salaries. This AI sales assistant was introduced and was developed to handle the human bottleneck that is officially broken. While 99% check their emails, our AI books real calls. Moving on to the case study number two, where we implemented AI agent for qualified buyers for a tech company that at 3 a.m. and filled their calendar for Monday morning. The impact we created was $12,000 plus in potential revenue added every month. Bookings were 15 plus meetings booked on autopilot. And my client recovered 100% of their overnight leads engaged in less than 60 seconds. The next case study that we presented was for a marketing agency that handled 500 plus monthly leads for a client without hiring a single VA. The problem was that the agency's client was overwhelmed by lead volume of around about 500 plus clients per month and couldn't hire the staff fast enough. We implemented an AI sales assistant into their system that handled almost 523 leads in the month one with zero lag. This efficiency saved the client 120 plus hours of manual data entry with every single month. The next case study is with our work regarding the digital marketing agency, and we used zero latency AI and closed 5 new high ticket clients in less than 60 seconds. The total value booked for this client was $42,000. The commodity agencies sell leads, elite agencies sell certainty. With this, the agency that we worked with logged in 42,000 a month recurring by my client. We also worked with a UK based coach, booked $10,000 in sales calls from US leads while he was asleep. Yup. Revenue was $10,000 in sales call by just one simple AI system integrated to his pipeline. The problem he was getting was the time zone problem, and we solved it using AI. The next problem that we solved was for a legal firm, and for that firm, we introduced like 20,000 monthly recurring revenue into their pipeline, and the conversion lead to sale rate doubled from 2 to 4% for this client. The leakage costs reduced by 85%. And absolutely, the speed absolutely matters. The next case study was how we implemented an AI that filtered out 1,000 tire kickers to find the top 1% of buyers automatically. For this, a sales team was wasting hundreds of hours talking to unqualified leads who had no budget, and our AI system handled all those leads with like filtering 950 unqualified leads within under 3 minutes. The work that needs around about months or weeks of time, our AI assistant solved that in under 3 minutes. So that's the power of AI, how AI can qualify leads, can save time, can like filter out 1,000 tire kickers, and the top 1% of buyers are filtered automatically. Imagine if AI wasn't here all alone, the people who are working in these niches would have not done this and would have not achieved this success score. You can also see my client achieved 2000 plus hours per year by this engine. This was the AI qualifying leads engine. Next one was an FAQ AI automated chatbot that we implemented for a travel agency that saved 28 hours a week for this client. It answered 300 plus FAQs per day automatically without a human impact and reduced customers' hold times by 50%. The next problem was faced by a restaurant, and the restaurant was paying high prices for clicks but losing customers because competitors answered faster. We implemented an AI engine into their system that dropped cost per acquisition by 35%, and the restaurant simply answered the calls first and booked the clients before any other restaurant did. Their cost per acquisition dropped by 35% from $20 to $13.5, saving them $2,000 in extra ad costs. The AI answered 100% of calls instantly. The last case study was working with agency, and we did an instant SMS outreach. Our AI, in fact, did this outreach and outperformed the Facebook retargeting ads by 400%. So this was the engagement rate that spiked up to 400%, and the open rate we achieved was 98%. Imagine your system having this AI inbuilt in it, and these results are for you. So AI automated the SMS outreach. These are not just some case studies. These are practical real world results that we brought up for our clients, and these are the impactful results that tell that AI implemented in 2026 is not something that is optional. It is a necessity. Yes, these are results that are driven from real impact in the real businesses. And yes, if I have grabbed your attention, allow me to explain the process of how this is actually done. So basically, what is my credibility? Why am I talking here in front of you and telling you some random stuff about AI and its implementation? It's because in total, I have and my team have saved 15,000 plus hours and recovered millions in lost leads. These are just a handful results to help you understand that we help business owners just like you close deals while they sleep. Just like the UK based coach did, he was sleeping and the AI was booking clients for him. That's exactly what our mission is and what we implement. We haven't just built AI, we have spent 800 plus hours in the past 5 years testing and refining a system that is completely capable of replacing manual follow up by humans. And over the past 5 years, I've successfully deployed AI systems for many different agencies like high ticket coaches, real estate teams, and agencies, and many more. And now I am ready to install this system for your business. So, what exactly is this? This is all about cracking the latency code. Whether you are a solo agent or a 50% team, this is for you. But only if you match this criteria. You must be willing to let AI handle the first contact. You have to trust the system to do its job without interference. You must be ready to handle more booked appointments, like if the AI books 1000 appointments for you, if your calendar gets full, you need to be ready to scale or hire. You must be willing to invest in your own infrastructure. You need to cover small software costs like OpenAI, Zapier API keys, and credits so you own the data. This is done because we don't own a single data of yours. Your data is 100% safe with us. And yes, as discussed before, I am not here to sell you a course. I am here to build a machine that prints appointments. That's simply my goal. And to implement AI into every business that needs automation in it. Because, yes, 2026 is the year of AI, and automation is not just an option, it's a necessity for scalability and business growth. And again, I'm telling you that if you are ready to let the machine work, this will only work if you are ready to let the machine work. If you are not, if you are like micromanaging every task that AI does, and you are micromanaging and you want results from day one, yes, these systems will bring in the results, but these will not bring in the results from the day one. Like if you want a long run game, then from day one it will not drive in results. Practically from day 10, from day 15, it will bring results. But from day 1, expecting it to like get you more leads, expecting it to get you more appointments, it needs to nurture itself. But on day 10, day 15, day 20, day 25, it will start to get your results. But if you are someone who is here for micromanaging and who is not trusting the process, then I cannot help you. I cannot help you implement this system. And this system is designed for only those people who are interested in growth and scalability. Now, these are the 5 questions that I ask every business owner before they even jump on the call with me. And these are just 5 simple questions. Watching leads ghost you minutes after they fill out your form. Is that you? You have to be 100% brutally honest in order to express yourself that you are the right person for this AI powered infrastructure in building. So are you that type of person who is watching leads goes to you minutes after they fill out your form? And the question you have to ask yourself is question number 2, that is calling prospects 2 hours later only to hear I already went with someone else. Is that you? Do you hear these types of replies from your ghosted clients? The question number 3 that I want you to ask yourself is that are you waking up to see missed leads gone completely cold? The fourth question you should ask yourself is paying for clicks that never turn into conversations. Are you that type of a guy? Number 5, chasing prospects for days just to get a simple no. And if all these questions have one simple answer, and that is yes, then obviously, my friend, you are not alone. Because if you are looking for a single, shortest, no BS way to automate your follow up, this document will show you exactly how to do it. And I will show you in a minute that how you can automate your processes and how you can achieve the results that my clients achieved in the past 5 years. In the past 5 years, how I achieved these results for clients. If you want the same results for your business, you need to stay in intact with me, because I am going to show you exact 6-step framework and protocol that I use for my clients and my businesses in order to automate them. So this will help you a lot. And the best part is I've already engineered ready to implement zero latency architecture just for you. This is not a BS kind of stuff. This is the one that works. And I haven't just talked about this. I have built exact workflows, the API integrations, the qualification scripts needed to make this work, all inside this presentation. And I guarantee just the speed to lead module will double your contact rate and get you new deals this month. Not today, but this month. And on the next slide, I'll show you the exact 6-step framework you need to install in order to run this engine in less than 7 days. It adds a minimum of 5 to 10 appointments to your pipeline every single month. For the 6-step protocol, the number one is the lead leak audit. First, you need to start by connecting your lead sources to Facebook ads, websites like Zillow, and many more. And then you or we analyze the exactly where your current process is breaking, whether it's slow responses, missed weekends, or lack of follow up. We identify the death zone in your funnel that is costing you money. The number two process is the persona programming. You don't want to be your bad to sound like a robot. The custom train your AI on your past conversations, your tone, your specific offer. We build the brain, and the agent is itself can speak exactly like you. The number third step in this protocol is the first strike integration. Here you integrate all your system, all your sales scripts, each and everything, all the material with the AI. And within the 45 seconds of the submission, when a new lead receives your personalized SMS, this stops them from shopping around and secures the conversation securely. The fourth step is the setter logic deployment. Speed is not enough. You also know that, I also know that. You need qualification. We install a setter scripts, a series of smart questions the AI asks in order to filter out tire kickers, like the person who are window shoppers. So, are you looking to buy a deal in 30 seconds or 30 days, or do you have a budget allocated? The AI only pushes qualified leads forward. The fifth step is the AI calls your prospect and it pushes the appointment. It integrates directly into your calendar to book the slot. If the lead asks a complex question, the system executes a live handoff, alerting you instantly to jump in and close the deal. The sixth and last step is the reactivation sweep. We don't just wait for new leads. In this final step, we plug the AI into your old list of dead leads, and the reactivation campaign is sent to hundreds and thousands of past prospects that you had, but you haven't kept track of those because you were busy in something else, and they have gone cold. So it turns the cold opportunities into warm opportunities. And yes, the best part is that I've already created 500 plus customized workflow systems for you ready to implement. I guarantee that by using only these 500 plus customized lead workflow systems, you can add 5 to 10 new appointments to your pipeline every single month. Like if you stay with me and you like work with me 6 months, then you can add at least 30 to 60 new appointments in your pipeline. So these 500 workflows are basically 250 plus business workflows, 160 plus sales scripts, and here's the you can click here to gain the access. Sales scripts, and we have 60 plus marketing workflows, 125 plus lead workflows, and these are all the workflows that I have done the heavy lifting for you, and you can just enjoy it. Just quickly, my track record so far. I've engineered zero latency architecture for multiple 6 to 7 figure real estate teams and agencies, proving I've been working with some serious players. I've processed over 50,000 plus leads across five different niches, saving companies an estimated 15,000 plus hours of manual flow using my zero latency matrix. I've recovered over 4.5 million plus dollars in lost pipeline value by simply engaging leads in under 60 seconds. The big money result. This is the big money result. And yes, if even now it sounds fishy or spammy, I'll recommend you don't go any further. Please leave. Please close this tab. You are not built for this system. I'm not interested in working with you. And if you have not left this video so far, then the next slide that I am going to show you is unimaginable. And since you are so serious, it's something no one is doing. I'm also giving you workflow engine absolutely for free that has around about 4,340 plus automations. You can find any automation here like business automation, marketing automation, sales automation, lead automation, any single automation that you can think of. You can find exactly these automations, plug and play them, and you have your business automated. You have your business pipelines automated. So, what's the summary of next steps? If you want to stop losing leads to competitors and instantly double your booking rate starting next month, you need to do exactly the following. These are the six-step framework that I told in the previous slides. You need to exactly follow those steps. And now you can try to do this alone. You can spend months learning OpenAI's API, Twilio, and complex workflow logic. Like it took me hundreds of hours just to perfect this code, just to perfect this zero latency response metrics. Or you can take the easy path and let me install this pre-built engine into your business completely done for you. If you want to work with me, I'll install customized architecture for you one on one. You'll get results instantly without writing a single line of code. So that's a benefit for you. You'll be able to stop the lead bleeding immediately. You'll have AI system working for you 24/7, 365. You'll be able to scale your ad spend with confidence. You'll filter out time wasters automatically. You wake up to booked appointments and you own the system. So that's the main motive of this system is that you own the system. I don't own anything. I don't own the API keys. I don't own anything. And of course, this is not a coaching program or a course. This is all in one done for you implementation. And the criteria is simple. You need to follow some instructions before we carry on. And those instructions are you need to trust the system. You don't want to interfere into its job. And if you want your calendar full, then you need to be able to manage that calendar as well, because we don't want any wasted leads in your system. And you must be willing to invest in your own infrastructure like the API costs, each and everything. And if you work with me, I guarantee the installation works if you meet the criteria. However, because this is a custom build, I can take only not more than 4 clients per month. So, because I am bringing on quality, I don't want to compromise on that quality as well. If you want my help with this, you can send me a LinkedIn message. This is my LinkedIn profile that you can see, and you can message me speed over here, and we will work together. And I'll send you all the details. We'll look into your current volume. If I think I can double your booking rate, I will tell you. If I don't think you are ready, I'll tell you that too. I'm here to build a machine that prints appointments. And yes, this is only for you if you are ready to automate your sales process and stop losing money to speed. You can contact me on LinkedIn and let's work together.